Happy Earth Day! Hooray! Today I have a math mystery for you to celebrate Earth Day. The case of the litter bug. So you are going to be hunting down a litterer who is ruining the environment with trash. So, that being said, you guys have 5 clues that you're going to discover today using your math skills. I did accidentally mess up. And you guys, I switched 5th and 6th grade math mystery, so you actually are going to have a nice little review. They are going to have some math learning to do. Okay, but you're going to solve clues and cross out suspects based on if they sleep in the day or night, the size of the bug, if the bug's able to fly, its color, and how fast it moves. All right, so first one up is your Roman numerals. And yes, in your packet at the back, I did include a nice little Roman numeral chart for you. Okay, so you're going to use your chart to help you identify your Roman numerals. So XVI. Okay, we're practicing XVI. XVI is 16. All right, so use your chart. Identify your Roman numerals. Remember that once you identify them, you can then go plug in your letters into your super cool code. All right? So, Roman numerals, clue number 1. Clue number 2, orders of operations. So on this one, I want you to remember you're not using parentheses or exponents on this one. It's just your 4 operations. So as a reminder, you do multiplication and division first from left to right, and then addition and subtraction from left to right. So on the first one, we have multiplication, division, and addition. We're going to do our multiplication and division first from left to right. So we have this problem and we have this problem, but we do the one on the left first. So 2 times 7 is 14. Then we do the next one, 14 divided by 7. And then we can do our second step, addition. 2 plus 1 is 3. All right, next problem, we have an division, addition, and subtraction. We do multiplication and division first. So 5 divided by 1 is 5. Now we're going to do our addition and subtraction from left to right. So this left one goes first. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, another problem. Addition, subtraction, and division. Which one do we do first? Addition, subtraction, or division? Hopefully you all just said the division one. So 5 divided by 1 is 5. Now we have an addition and subtraction. Which one do we do first? The one on the left, yeah. So 9 plus 9 is 18. And then 18 minus 5 is 13. I'll do one more with you guys. Division, multiplication, addition. Okay, we're going to do multiplication, division first. Remember, we start on the left. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Multiply 2 times 9. And then we can add 18 plus 9. Please, 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 please don't think just because we just did those problems and it just so happened to be in order that your problems can go in order. For example, let's look at this one, H. We have subtraction, multiplication, and addition. Which one goes first? Multiplication and division. So 3 times 3 is 9. You must do that first. Then you start on the left. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 14 is 15. Make sure you do your orders of operations. All right? All right, after you've done that and figured out your clue, you guys have some very easy division. I messed up. Gave you guys the wrong paper, but that's okay. Nice quick division review for you guys. All right, and you don't even have to write fractions. You're writing remainders. Oh my goodness. So this should be a quick one. How many 12s in 110? It's going to be less than 10. Let's just say that, because 12 times 10 is 120. So I'm guessing y'all want to say 9. Okay, what's 9 times 12? 108, right? So you have 9, remainder 2. All right, quick division. This one also got switched with the other class. So you guys are working on naming your shapes. That's funny. Okay, so you just got to identify your shapes on this one. Which one's rectangle? That's a rectangle. Okay, which one is a hexagonal prism? Remember, a prism is a 3D shape. So you got to find a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. So where is the 6-sided actual the sphere, or not the sphere, the prism, the 3-dimensional 6-sided shape? Okay, so this is not a 3-dimensional shape. This is a 3-dimensional shape. This is a 3-dimensional shape. So there's only one of those that's 6-sided, and you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has 6. This one has 6 sides. So this one is our hexagonal prism. This one is an R. All right. Triangular prism. So which one of these is a triangular prism? A triangle, not a pyramid, a triangle. So right here is a triangular prism. Okay, versus this one, which is a triangular pyramid. Okay, so identify your shapes here. Just as a quick reminder, when you have these dashes, that means that they, if you have the same number of dashes, it means they're the same. So if you look at this triangle, there's dashes here. There's 1 dash here, 1 dash here. That means those 2 lines are identical or congruent. And this, there's only 1 arc here and 1 arc here. Those angles are congruent. So they're not trying to remember what is the name of the triangle that has 2 sides that are the same. Versus this triangle, there's 1 dash here, 2 dashes here, 3 dashes here. So it means all the sides are different. 1 arc, 2 arcs, 3 arcs. All the angles are different. Okay? And the last clue that you're going to go over in math today is fractions of a number. So when you're doing fractions of a number, you guys did percents of a number just the other day. The same rules apply. Of still means times. And when you multiply fractions, what do? You put the whole number over 1, right? So when you multiply this, 1 times 16 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4. 16 over 4 is 4. Not so bad, huh? So again, of means multiply. Whole number goes over 1. 1 times 27. 3 times 1. 27 over 3. How many 3s are in 27? 9. Nice and easy. Of means multiply. Whole numbers over 1. 2 times 35. And 5 times 1. How many 5s are in 70? How many 5s are in 50? And how many 5s are in 20? Okay. All right, so that's your last clue. When you know who the litter bug is, don't forget to put it on here. All right, have fun today. It's supposed to be fun. Fun and reviewing. Find that litter bug. Who is the person littering? Okay, use the suspects chart to help you and cross it off when you know what's up. All right, if you're still having problems or you're still confused, please give me a call.